How to log chat on Telegram. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to log your chat on Telegram, you can follow up the steps. So you can open up your Telegram first, and from here at the top left corner of your screen, you should be finding a menu bar. You can tap on it to open up a menu. From the given menu, go ahead and select the option that says settings, this one right here. And from here, go to privacy and safety. Once you are under privacy and safety, you should be finding different security options. So go ahead and select the option that says passcode lock, this one right here. Tap on it and you need to set a passcode. You can go ahead and tap on this enable passcode and create a 4-digit that you will be using to unlock your Telegram app. So go ahead and do that. Once you do that, you should be finding some passcode lock settings available, like you can change your passcode, unlock with fingerprint, auto lock, within 1 hour, something like this. You can change the time and all these options. After that, your chat should be logged on Telegram with a given time, like after 1 hour, if you have set 1 hour, and that is it. So that is how you basically log chat on Telegram. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.